Perfect tool for the job. Grind coarse pepper with this decorative and functional pepper grinder. One-handed use. With one-handed operation and steel rasp for durability, simply squeeze the handle to grind while tending to the grill or mixing your recipe with the other. Adjustable settings. Twist the base of the grinder to adjust pepper coarseness to personal preference. Refillable. Simply twist handles to easily refill peppercorns. Pepper included. Grinder delivers pre-filled with FDA-grade peppercorns. Season dishes and ingredients with the Chef'n PepperBall, black and clear. Grind coarse pepper with this decorative and functional pepper grinder. Twist the base to adjust the pepper coarseness to personal preference. With one-handed operation and a steel rasp for durability, simply squeeze the handle to grind. Ready to use out of the box, this grinder comes filled with fresh peppercorns. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent grinder and it's glass. I really like that the grinder is made from glass. What a plus. The top screws off, making it is so easy to fill or clean. You only need to turn the outer ring on the bottom to adjust the grind. It comes filled with peppercorns and works flawlessly. Also, you won't get carpal tunnel from squeezing the ears like you do from twisting the old style. It is well made and should give you many years of service. This is the cat's meow. I had a similar one years ago made from plastic. It was a few dollars cheaper, but it was so hard to fill through the little plastic port and impossible to clean the inside.